Good morning, students. As we know that our chapter Exponents and Power is going on, and now let's today start discussing about the next exercise. And in this exercise, we will discuss about how to represent decimal number system and how to put the longer values into the standard form, or we can say the large numbers into the standard form. So, chapter Exponent and Power. Chapter number 13 is going on, and here in now today's topic we will discuss about the decimal number system and how to convert the, you can say, the larger numbers into the standard form of the exponents. Now for chapter 13, this is now first decimal number system. Decimal number system. Let's take an example: 47561. 47561, and we have to expand it. How will we gonna expand this? As you know that this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. So 4 multiply 10,000 plus 7 multiply 1,000, then plus 5 multiply 100 plus 6 multiply 10 plus 1 plus 1. Now 4 multiply 10,000. How can you write it in the form of an exponents? In the form of exponents, how this can be written as? It can be written as 10 raised to the power 4 plus 1000 in the form of exponents can be written as 7 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 1 and plus 1, which can be written 10 raised to the power 0, because any number that raised to the power 0 comes out to be 1. So here we have expressed it in the exponential form. See, one more example is there, that is 1 0 4 2 7 and 8. 4 2 7 8. Now ones, tens, thousand, hundred, 10,000 and lakhs. 10,000 and lakhs. So we have to expand this. So what is here? 1 multiply. We have to multiply it with the lakhs. Means how many zeros? 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 plus 0. 0 multiply 10,000. 4 zeros plus 4. 4 is at thousands place. So 4 multiply 1000. Similarly plus 2. 2 is at which place? Hundreds place. So 2 multiply 100. Then it will be continue. 7 multiply 10 and plus 8 multiply 1. Now convert it into, how can we convert this? 1 multiply 10 raised to the power 5. 1 like can be written in the form of exponents as 10 raised to the power 5 plus here 0 multiply 10 raised to the power 4 plus 4 multiply 10 raised to the power 3 plus 2 multiply 10 raised to the power 2 plus 7 multiply 10 raised to the power 1 and plus 1 multiply 10 raised to the power 0. Here we have expressed in the exponents, and as we have taken the base 5, as we have taken the base 10, that is called a decimal number system, and while taking the base 10, we have converted into the exponential form. For example, 1 lakh can be written as 10 raised to the power 5, 10,000 can be written as 10 raised to the power 4, 1000 can be written as 10 raised to the power 3. Similarly, 100 can be written as 10 square and 10 raised to the power 1, and no 10 raised to the power, no base of 10 here, because 10 raised to the power 0 is 1, so 1 multiplies it comes out to be 1. So this is the first which we have to discuss today. The first part, this is 47561, and second is 104278. So let's see these questions. We will do more and more questions like this in the exercise 13.3. Now next topic is, this is example 13. That express the following numbers in the standard form. We have to express the following numbers in standard, basically standard form, in which we take the base 10 and exponential, and the exponential depends upon the given number. So but the basically thing is that we have to take the base 10. Now first number is 5985.3. 5985.3, and we have to convert it into the standard form. Standard form means any number that consisting of, or in simple term you can see that any number that consisting of 10 raised to the power n in the multiplication, 10 raised to the power n, and maybe the any value of the exponent. So we have to convert it in that form. How we will convert it? Now this is 5985.3. Now if we multiply this number by 1000, if we multiply this number by 1000, then the decimal will shift to the three places. So it will be written as 5.9853. Right now it is this, and if we multiply this number by 1000, 1000 means 3 zeros, so decimal will shift to the three places, so it will be 5.9853, and now we can write it in the standard form. 5.9853 multiply 10 raised to the power 3 is the answer. So 10 raised to the power 3 here is the exponential part. Now second part is 6950, 69,950. Now see this. What can we do in this question? 65,950 is given, and in this we have to write in the standard form. And how we will write in the standard form? It will be written in the standard form, as we know that we need the number that 10 raised to the power n, and n is the any value of the exponent. So now write it as, how can I write 65,950? It can be written as, if you multiply this number by, let's say, 10,000, so 65950 multiply 4, 10,000. Now you can see that 4 zeros are here, so the decimal will shift to the four places, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will put the decimal here because decimal is shifted to the four places. Now how can this is written as 6.595 into 10 raised to the power 4 is the answer, because as we know that there is no importance of 0 after the decimal, but it will be considered here as. So what we have done, first of all, we have multiplied this with the 10,000. 10,000 means 4 zeros are there, so we have to shift the decimal. Initially there is no decimal in this number, no decimal number, but 4 zeros are there, so we have to shift the decimal in the four places in order to overcome that effect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so 6.5, 10 raised to the power 4. So in this video today we have discussed about the decimal number system, and the second concept is how to express the larger numbers in standard forms. Exercise 13.3 is similar like this. You have to write the numbers in the expanded forms, which we have already done, the expanded form of the numbers, and that you have to arrange the larger numbers into the decimal form. So very easy exercise. Practice the questions on these topics and the questions, and we will continue our topic in the next video. Thank you.